Welcome to our tutorial on creating an event waiver form. We're going to start by using this template from our website as a starting point. First, we are going to change the theme, add rounded corners to the form, and a drop shadow. Afterward, we'll modify the font, adjust the button color, remove the header content, and incorporate a text field. We'll also resize the font for the text field and align it centrally within the form. Next, we refine the form for signing waivers. We include a brief description of the activity, add a date field with age verification, and establish a minimum age requirement to confirm the participant's age. We also ensure that fields for emergency contact information are included, along with the terms of service section and a signature field. Lastly, we begin fine-tuning the form to streamline waiver signing. We set all the necessary waiver fields as required and switch the verification to Google reCAPTCHA to speed up the process. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more form building tips and tricks.